Once you have installed VexGuard, it is very easy to set it up and make it actively protect your device against thieves, intruders, and your privacy. Just open it and give VexGuard all necessary permissions to ensure the app works in its maximum efficiency. VexGuard must be allowed to use location all the time. This ensures VexGuard knows where your device is in case of theft when your device is stolen or lost. After that, sign in as the owner and choose your Google account, which will be linked to your VexGuard account. Then you will need to activate protection, which will require you to give some necessary permissions for VexGuard to actively protect your phone. This includes notifications and accessibility services for monitoring any unusual activities that can indicate your device is at risk of being stolen or tampered without your authorization. VexGuard does security checks every time you open your app, so you will need to confirm your identity every time you enter the VexGuard Trap Center, where you configure your device's defense against thieves and intruders. This provides second layer of defense and prevent any person apart from you, the owner, to tamper with your VexGuard's device's defense you have set. VexGuard provides many security layers that thieves mostly tend to disable once they have stolen your device, so always make sure to turn on the triggers you need so that your device can be protected all the time. It is recommended to turn on the protection you need for a particular situation. Here you can manage your VexGuard account, which is the only account that will be used to track your stolen phone and perform different remote actions offered by VexGuard, including remote evidence capturing photos, videos, and audios. Make sure to keep your device always logged in. After setting up your VexGuard account, feel free to close the app. It will keep running in the background very efficiently, so you don't have to worry about battery life, since the VexGuard intelligence system is designed to work for long hours and activate only when threat is detected. All other time it stays dormant while it is in background protecting your device actively.